Alright, let's check out what's going on a Wednesday evening. That's right, you heard me right. Wednesday evening. What time is it? Oh, the clock on the wall says 7:30. Well, you remember this little Roadster that came in? That had the oil all throughout the engine? The gentleman's got it back and he's got it all gone through. So, going to be putting that engine back in. That's what's going to go on there. Got the old hot rod Lincoln up in the air. So there was another shop that they had made these like they changed all the control arms out and put disc brakes on it, and they had to put these brackets on for these new shocks. The other shop, it's a shop in Langley. They should stick with doing upholstery, not bodywork and paint, but I won't say who they are. Anyway, they took sheet metal screws, screwed that in to the body to hold the shock, and it was pulling away. Can you believe that? And this is a shop that's been around for 30 years out in Langley, and that's what they do, sheet metal screws. Lovely. Anyway, whatever. Okay. Let's check out what else is going on here. Oh, this is locked up. Hang on, we'll come around this way. I locked that up. I keep forgetting it's evening. Yeah. So, we got, if you're out there watching, Jeff, your car's outside for tonight. But it is like 30 outside, so don't worry. This little Chevy pickup rolled in today. Going to be doing mini tubs on it. Going to be just tubbing it into it. It was almost near the frame, so it's around 3 inches. Put some nice mini tubs in there. Guy can get a different offset wheel and tire. Kind of a cool little vehicle. A rat rod style truck, I guess you'd say. Actually, it's a little better than a rat rod, actually. You know, hasn't got big gapping holes in the floor and all that shit like those things do. Small block Chevy in there. Looking good. But the main thing that was going on here this evening is, let me show you what was going on. I got the steering box and the column all put back in, carried away. Starting to sort out the wiring. You can see this color now. See now how it looks different outside? See how you see the purple? See how it goes dark back there, then the purple? Anyway, the steering wheel is going to get painted. I was just setting it on there to do the steering. But I started putting the dash together. As you can see, all the moldings up and around the window. Clock back in it. Cleaning everything up. Got the signals back on there. Got the moldings up and around the back window. Got to buff that up. I'm using my auto saw down there. Right there. The old auto saw. Then when I get her cleaned up inside and dynamat her all. So I still got to do the gauges, put the chrome piece up there, get the new glove box liner in, get the glove box door on, that kind of shit. So, yeah, that is what's going on Wednesday night. But let's see what else is going on here on Wednesday night with the car. Oh, carried away. Ford pickup. You guys seen that? Got all the inner fenders on it. Doing a solenoid, horns. Up inside the dash, a little dark in here right now, but getting all the new switches in, wipers, choke, all the heater switches, getting all that stuff organized, fiddling around with the wiring a bit. Okay, let's go in here. Let's see. Okay, let's turn this fan off so you can hear what I'm saying. Now, as you can see, doesn't that look like, see what I mean? Like, that's the color on Carried Away. Does it not look black in here? But that is the purple. See how it changes color? Like, I don't even know if you can, where's my phone again? We'll do the old phone trick so you guys can see this. Whoops, you son of a bitch. And there we go. My light's on it, you can see. There's the purple again. So anyway, all the inner doors are painted, so I can put the door seals on. Well, we'll leave these sit for a couple days, obviously. Then I'll get door seals on, hopefully on the weekend, get the doors on. Painted the bolts for the doors, the hinge bolts, got them all painted. Painted some bits and pieces for the doors right here. So got all that done. It is rolling along. We're trying. We're trying. I'm pushing hard here because, like I said, I'm gone away next week for 5 days again. 5 days again, I'm taking off. And then when I get home, I've got basically 4 weeks to get this thing painted still. Engine, tranny, and all that sort of shit. So, but I have faith. I have faith. And if I don't have faith, well, I got Pabst beer. That'll get me through anything, I think. And a big bottle of rum. Anyway, let's lock that down. And let's call her a night. Don't worry, Jeff, I'll close up your trunk lid, and don't worry about your car, it'll be fine. Oh, it's all good. It's all good. So, going to be working on this beast tomorrow. A friend of mine, Will. This was a truck that was here. He took it home and it started overheating, so we're going to, I got myself a nice heavy-duty 3-core radiator for the thing that cools up to 500 horsepower. So, if that don't cool it, I don't know what will. Got it. There's the fan. They sent me the fan right there, and the rad is right here. There we go. It's meant for that truck. Unfortunately, somebody on the truck though had cut out where this rad should originally mount because they had put some sideways cross-flow radiator in there out of some newer car. I don't know. Anyway, so that's about it, guys. So we're gonna call her a night. Hope you all enjoyed this video. We're getting there at the car, and we will see you later in the week.